What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Blood on My Jeans by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll impregnate your eardrums with super wet thunder beats. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're gonna capo up to the 6th fret. It's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is C major, it's 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then A minor, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then finally G major. It's 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Typically you have it's 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. For this song, we're only putting our index finger on the B string and then our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E and our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.